Hello traders. Today on May 3rd, 2021, I would like to show you the power of Alpha Fibonacci System during the last 16 months, even before the crisis. This is Alpha Fibonacci System that reaches institutional reversal zone on January 2020. The bullish rallies that started on at the end of 2018 reached critical institutional reversal zone. Trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci System knows what identifies institutional sell-off, knows where to exit long-term positions, knows that this is critical historical event. When market selling off, trader not losing his mind, not losing money, not listening to gossip, news, hysteria, panic. Protecting investments strategically and trading strategically with institutions. So when the news market is crushing 2,000 points plus, when news are blasting all sorts of negativity, what does the intelligent trader knows many months in advance? 2200 institutional reversal zone. Expect institutions buying markets viciously. So when you are so well prepared many months in advance, when you stop listening to panic and negativity, when you start thinking as top 1% does, you are very well prepared when price reaches critical key level on March 23rd. Those who know this system know how crucial that day was. This is institutional chart where multi-million, multi-billion dollar positions are taking. But here is day trading chart during historical months of March 2020. S&P at key reversal zone. Do you remember these numbers? 2300 on S&P. On the chart, market rallying already. You are never shorting near institutional entry points. Post-hold, phenomenal rallies. But you knew this many months in advance. Much more in detail in live classes. So when price stages phenomenal, stunning rally from 2200 level, no one who trading Alpha Fibonacci System is surprised. This is the start of institutional rally. Every single day, hundreds of trades on Nasdaq. Every single day, so many trades on Dow, on S&P. Market is flying when multi-million, multi-billion dollar positions are taking. You are trading with them, no matter how small or large your account is. This morning, on May 3rd, 2021, we're no longer at 2200 level, correct? What played out during this historical 2020 year is a very clear reminder. Preparation for your trade, trading with institutions and not against them, is the most important part of your trading. During 2020, market is not crashing. During 2020, when price reaches reversal zone, institutional support at 2900 level respected. Miami is packed. Palm Beach is booming. There is no tragic events. There is only big money being made during crisis by top 1%. So the biggest vertical rally is not crashing in 2020. Every pullback is being bought. but you know all of these critical levels many months ahead. You understand the difference of buying the bottom versus buying the top. So when bullish rally keeps being overextended, what is clear, what is crucial, it's a trending bullish rally. There is no institutional sellers. During the biggest crisis, institutions, hedge funds been buying market viciously. But you never heard that on the news. On the news, panic and disaster. Exact same top 1% that owns news channels been buying the market. You see it on the chart. So the lesson of the crisis is extremely powerful. Trade the price, not the noise. If trading noise worked, you would be shorting, not buying the market, correct? Price no longer 2200 level. Price no longer at the bottom. There is no more institutional vicious buying. In May 2021, we are at this key level. Institutions holding positions, adding to their longs. What did you witness this morning? What did you see? Tell me. Junky little pullback. Look at this massive junk. Look at this chop. This is a market for the last 7 hours. But how viciously institutions keep buying every single pullback during the worst economic crisis is a very powerful reminder. We're extremely high. Trading right now is very different than trading in April and May 2020 versus 2021. In April and May, we were at institutional support at the bottom. Day trading was a dream. This is not a dream. This requires your ultimate skill. No indicator on the planet will tell you months and years in advance institutional entry point, institutional selling points. Intelligent trader understands we're at historical high. This requires your ultimate skill. This can last many months and years. Institutional support being respected again and again and again. As of May 3rd, 2021, there is no institutional sellers. I just came back from Miami. Miami is New York, if you like it or not. No one wants to pay taxes on the biggest profits in 100 years. So if you made $1 million or 2 or 10, if you made $1 billion or 2 or 20, would you like to pay taxes on that or no? Of course not. But this requires time in Florida. You cannot close position. You must hold for many months, even years. So if you understand what institutions do, and you understand the junk that's present in front of you, you are tested every single day with the power of the software and Alpha Fibonacci System. Even during the worst market conditions, even during overextended rallies, you are very well prepared. You are not a gambler, you are not a speculator. You value time. You do not have scarcity mindset. You are not talking about how much money can I save for a couple of dollars. You are not thinking about money. That's a mindset of poor person. You are thinking of time and how you spend your time to produce the highest income. That's the difference between wealth versus poor mindset. Brilliant mindset, not in front of the screen, not staring at this junk. View the previous video about Monday Open, where Alpha Fibonacci System shown you clearly. This is a junky pullback. Market not selling off. We're stuck in chop. And that will test you to the core if this bullish rally will remain intact. This is key institutional support in front of you. 4100 on S&P. If we will remain stuck between these two key institutional levels, this will require your ultimate knowledge. Nothing in common between trading in May 2021 versus May 2020. This was easy. This is not. And this can last for many, many years. But if you see how pure market is, if you understand that bold red line means do not buy, if you understand that bold green line is a problem, nothing else is possible this morning, only this. And that's the power of the system. You know this before it plays out. So this was European session. This was extremely, extremely powerful. And this is what is essential to understand. No one can control the market. No one can identify when market will be at key levels. But what is clear without any doubt, if you are trading key times in the market, you can trade the system on any instrument. What is Theo sharing? European Open suits me and usually presents great opportunities. This was a stunning sell-off in European session. But the fact that institutional support remains intact, it shows you it's a very junky little retail short. There are no institutional sellers. At the bold red line, it's the only option. What is the problem this morning? Bold red line and bold green line very clear and very close. It's a chop. We've been here for the last 4 hours. See your shares? Many traders incidentally get confused with chip, chop, ping pong. This brilliant system presents allowance to make decision within seconds as whether on one should consider a trade. If you're interested in day trading, you know all of these levels in advance on long-term charts, days, hours, weeks, months, and years. On day trading charts, it's been playing out in front of you this entire morning. And again, and again, and again. How you prepare for different market conditions will determine your success in trading. There is nothing in common trading May 2021 versus May 2020. This was easy. This requires your knowledge of pure price, because much more of this is present. When institutions holding positions, much more of this is present for many hours. You can deal with this. Everything else will be a breeze. This morning, only this is possible. Nothing else is present. Intelligent trader knows this very well. We've been here for hours. and hours and hours. Price not crashing through. We'll discuss this in live class after the close of the trading room. You can trade these markets. You are very well prepared for the next crash. You learned your lesson very, very well. Trading on the noise is not an option. Succumbing to panic and negativity is not an option. Trading strategically with pure price, with precise rules, is a brilliant way to success during any crisis, during all market conditions, as you see in the trading room every single day. Trying to see where's Jason's post. Jason trading silver. Stunning, stunning work. And again, if you did not read this, you should. Only then, by looking at the institutional chart, you would understand what this article says. And one Miami is new New York. No one wants to pay 16% taxes on the biggest profits in 100 years. So again, to remind you, we remained absolutely firm, correct? At the bold red line, no one will ever buy. This is a key moment that we've been waiting for the entire morning. Powerful pullback, powerful selling pressure. This is a level intelligent trader very interested in. But again and again and again, this is how pure system is. So if you separate junk and absolute nothing that present in the previous 5 hours, this is a key moment for intelligent trader. So when you're looking at the power of the system, all of this identified days and weeks in advance, and if you know many days in advance that this is not the place to buy, it's a brilliant, consistent, proactive trading. Very different market on April 20th, 21st, 23rd, 24th, 25th with institutional entry points versus here. Trader tested to the core. Do not enter into reversal zone. Correct? Do not overcomplicate trading. Obey the rules and the skies are the limit. This is what Richard does. Physical therapist who retired with very little money, who made phenomenal effort, spectacular effort, practicing on demo account, doubling it before trading live. So when he started trading live on December 7th with $3,600, as of January 22nd, his account was $11,575. Here's Richard's email that I received 2 days ago. It never gets old, I promise. 37,000. This is trader who is making an effort. This is trader who obeying the rules. This is trader who trading with institutions. Richard is unstoppable. You can listen to his podcast on our home page. From 3,700 December 6, 2022, 37,000 on May 3rd. That's 5 months. Richard trading a lot less than 10 hours per week. Obeying exact same rules. You see it in front of you each and every day. And if Richard can do it during such brutal market conditions, everything else will be easy. Bold red line means do not buy. Bold red line means do not gamble. At bold red line, you only option to short. But if institutions buying, you trade with them. You don't trade against them. So when you come to the homepage and you would like to listen to Richard's podcast, pretty please do. It's right here in front of you. Phenomenal effort, phenomenal work ethics. This is Richard's retirement journey. This is also Brad's retirement journey. This is also David's. These traders are unstoppable. With Market Simulator on Ninja Trader, you can double, triple, and quadruple your account. In weeks with Alpha Fibonacci System, you can trade on Saturday and Sunday. You can trade after market close. Because when I work with pilots who are flying the biggest airplanes, they do that before they fly the real airplane, correct? Practicing on simulator. As Richard clearly shares, that's all he has done. Only when he doubled his demo account with the power of Ninja Trader Market Replay, he started trading live. Richard did not do private mentoring. I did not hold his hand. He took this most popular course with Ninja 8 lifetime system software for any platform. 3 months live course, video libraries and modules. He simply made phenomenal effort. He watched every video he possibly could and he practiced every single day. If you would like to see more, click on Students Performance. More and more emails being uploaded every day. I cannot upload hundreds of thousands of emails I receive. I upload as much as possible. Read what students do and think. But what do you see in front of you right now? Tell me. Did we know or did we know that this is a key moment we've been waiting for this morning? This is day trading support, correct? This is when Richard comes to the screen. First, we dealt with junky bullish pullback. Price did not break through this level, did it? It's junk. Now, market becomes interesting. And that's how strategic trader trades. Alpha Fibonacci System. You can deal with these markets, which can last months and years. You will be prepared for the next crash. Everything else will be easy. Make exact same effort and the sky's the limit. Do exact same thing Lewis Hamilton does. How many Formula Ones did he win? More than 10. But if you ask Lewis Hamilton or Tom Brady or Serena Williams or Richard, what did they do and what do they continue do? Practicing even after they win, non-stop. Richard keeps practicing every single day. You become better and better and better. You understand what separates junk from power. And when power is present, you enjoy the ride. You are not staring at your screen for hours. You valuing time. The most important commodity in life. You spending it wisely. You preparing for the next crisis. We discuss this in each live class. So if you want to trade as Richard does, please review all the information on the website, listen to Richard podcasts, view emails, view what students do globally. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of the system I developed. I constantly develop new strategies, new systems. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.